This is Fluid AI's voice agent. Watch how it handles a real banking call. Verification, card block, balance check, all in one conversation.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Fluid Bank. How can I assist you today? We offer various services like retail banking, corporate banking, and private banking. Is there anything specific you're interested in?
Yes, I want you to check my credit card balance.
Sure. I'll need to confirm your identity. Could you please
Can
provide
you
your...
block my card first?
Did you see that? The customer changed their request completely, mid-call. And the agent just handled it? Watch what happens next.
All right. I can assist with blocking your card. Please provide your mother's maiden name to proceed.
My mother's maiden name is Amber.
Could you also provide the last 4 digits of your credit card number?
It's 1749.
Give me a quick moment while I process your request. Your credit card ending with 1749 has been successfully blocked. Would you like to explore our other credit card options to keep your finances flexible?
No, just give me my credit card balance.
I would need to verify your identity one more time. Would you like to use the following details to check your credit card balance? Mother's maiden name, Amber. Last 4 digits of card, 1749.
Yes, that's correct.
Your credit card balance for the card ending with 1749 is $949. If you need any further assistance or have any other inquiries, feel free to ask. All right.
And that's it. Balance checked, card blocked, 2 requests in 1 call, and no human involved. This is what Fluid AI deploys inside your bank. Ready to see it live?